Looking for an easier way to make homemade hand pies, dumplings, or empanadas? Zoie plus Chloe's 3-piece dough press set promises just that, a simple, reliable tool that helps you craft perfect pastries every time. With sizes ranging from 4 to 6, 10 centimeters to 15 centimeters, you'll always have the right press for any recipe, no matter how big or small. What sets this dough press apart is its clever design. The backside acts as a dough cutter, slicing out flawless circles that fit the press perfectly. Just spoon your filling into the center, moisten the edges, fold, and press. The crimped edge seals your dough tight, giving your pastries a neat, professional finish. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. No more messy edges or fillings leaking out during baking or frying. I've tried the set myself, using the smallest pink press for ravioli and the medium green one for pierogies. Both worked like a charm. The large orange press, ideal for empanadas. Made from durable plastic, these presses are gentle on your dough but sturdy enough to handle frequent use. Just be mindful to press and turn the cutter slightly to ensure a clean cut, especially near the hinges where it can sometimes miss. A quick adjustment here and there keeps your dough perfect. One tip that made a difference: when making ravioli, I cut all the dough circles first, then filled and sealed them on a parchment-lined baking sheet dusted with flour. Covering the dough with a kitchen towel kept it from drying out while I worked. Also, a standard cookie scoop fits perfectly for the small press filling, no guesswork needed. Cleanup is a breeze since the entire set is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just getting into homemade pastries, this set streamlines the process, turning what used to be a labor-intensive task into a quick, enjoyable step. If you're someone who loves homemade comfort food but hates the hassle, Zoie plus Chloe's dough press set is worth a look. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers consistent results that impress every time. Try it when you're ready to elevate your kitchen game and make pastry prep a joy instead of a chore.